Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shilpi's Astrology. I am your host Shilpi and today we are going to talk about moon in all houses of a birth chart. Let's explore how moon behaves in each of the 12 houses of a birth chart, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. The moon represents our emotions, instincts, habits and unconscious mind. Its placement in a house influences how we feel and react to the world around us. The moon in first house makes emotional and instinctual reaction very visible to others. Your feelings are closely tied to your sense of identity and how you present yourself. Strengths are emotional expressiveness, intuition, adaptability. You wear your heart on your sleeves, making you approachable and relatable. Strong gut instinct and a keen sense of immediate emotional environment. Can easily adapt to new situation due to emotional flexibility. Weaknesses are moodiness, self-consciousness, impulsivity. Your emotions can be highly changeable, impacting your behavior. You may be overly conceived with how others perceive your emotions. Emotional reactions can sometimes lead to impulsive decision. Moon in second house ties your emotional well-being to your material security and possession. Financial stability is crucial for your emotional comfort. Strengths are nurturing, resourcefulness, and loyalty. You have a strong desire to care for and provide for loved ones. Good at managing resources and finding comfort in material security. Loyal and dependable in relationship, valuing stability. Weaknesses are insecurity, possessiveness, and overemphasis on materialism. Emotional well-being is heavily influenced by financial status, tendency to become overly attached to possession and people, risk of equating self-worth with material success. Moon in third house makes communication and intellectual activities central to your emotional expression. You feel comfortable when sharing thoughts and ideas. Strengths are emotional communication, curiosity, and flexibility. Good at expressing emotions through words and writing. Strong desire to learn and understand the world. Adaptable in thinking and communication style. Weaknesses are restlessness, overthinking, scattered focus. Can become emotionally unsettled if not intellectually stimulated. Tendency to overanalyze feelings and situations. Difficulty focusing on one task or thought due to emotional fluctuation. Moon in fourth house emphasizes home, family, and emotional roots. Your sense of security is deeply tied to your home environment and family relationships. Your strengths are nurturing, you have a lot of emotional depth, and domestic comfort. Strong instinct to nurture and care for family members. Deeply connected to your roots and heritage. Ability to create warm and comforting home environment. Weaknesses are over attachment, emotional dependency, and homebound. Difficulty letting go of the past or moving away from family, and become overly dependent on family for emotional support. Reluctant to leave the comfort of home can limit opportunities. Moon in fifth house enhances creativity, romance, and self expression. You find emotional fulfillment through creative activities and romantic relationships. Strengths are creativity, playfulness, and romantic. Strong creative instincts and emotional expression through the art. Enjoyment of leisure activities and fun experiences. Highly affectionate and emotionally expressive in romantic relationship. Weaknesses are dramatic attention seeking and impulsiveness, tendency to be overly dramatic in emotional expressions, desire for constant attention and validation from others, can be emotionally impulsive in seeking pleasures. Moon in sixth house ties your emotional well being to your daily routines, work, and health. You find comfort in maintaining order and servicing others. Your strengths are diligence, service oriented, and health conscious. Strong work ethics and attention to detail in daily tasks. Finds emotional satisfaction in helping and servicing others. interest in maintaining health and wellness routines. Weaknesses are worry, perfectionism, and overwork. Prone to anxiety and worry about work and health matters. Tendency towards perfectionism leading to stress. Risk of becoming emotionally overwhelmed by work responsibilities. Moon in 7th house emphasizes partnership and relationship. Your emotional well-being is closely tied to your interactions with significant others. Moon's strengths are in this house empathy, diplomacy, and commitment. Strong ability to understand and connect with partners emotionally. Good at maintaining harmony and balance in relationships. Deep emotional investments in relationships. Weaknesses are dependency, people pleasing, and fear of loneliness. Risk of becoming overly dependent on partners for emotional fulfillment. Tendency to prioritize others' need over your own. Difficulty being alone or independent. Moon in 8th house brings depth and intensity to your emotional life. You are drawn to transformation, shared resource, and the mysteries of life. Your strengths are emotional depth, intuitions, and resilience, ability to experience emotions deeply and profoundly, strong intuitive abilities and interest in unseen aspects of life, ability to undergo and thrive through emotional transformation. Your weaknesses are intensity, possessiveness, and secrecy. Emotional experiences can be overwhelming and consuming. Tendency towards jealousy and possessiveness in relationship can be secretive and guarded about emotions. Moon in 9th house emphasizes emotional fulfillment through exploration, higher learning, travel, and philosophy. You seek emotional growth through new experiences and knowledge. Your strengths are open minded, adventurous, and optimism. You are emotionally open to new ideas and experiences. You enjoy travel and exploring different cultures and philosophies. You are generally optimistic and enthusiastic about life. Your weaknesses are restlessness, idealism, and escapism. You find difficulty settling down or committing to one path, tendency to be overly idealistic, overlooking practical details. You have risk of using travel or philosophy to escape emotional issues. Moon in 10th house ties your emotional well-being to career and public image. You seek emotional securities through professional achievements and recognition. Your strengths are you guys are ambitious, you have good sense of responsibility and good leadership qualities. You have strong desire for career success and public recognition. You are emotionally invested in fulfilling responsibilities and goals, good at leading with empathy and understanding. And your weaknesses are workaholism, fear of public image, and controlling. Risk of over identifying with career and neglecting personal life. You have concern about public perception that can lead to emotional stress. You have tendency to control emotions to maintain professional composure. Moon in 11th house emphasizes emotional fulfillment through friendship, social networks, and group activities. You find comfort in being part of a community. Your strengths are friendship, idealism, and networking. You have strong emotional bonds with friends and social groups. You are emotionally invested in social causes and ideals. You are good at building and maintaining social connections. Your weaknesses are overcommitment, emotional detachment, and idealism. Risk of overcommitment to social activities leading to burnout. Difficulty forming deep emotional bonds due to focus on group dynamics. Can become delusionate if social ideals are not met. Moon in 12th house brings a deep connection to your unconscious mind and spirituality. You are likely to introspect and sensitive to unseen aspects of life. Your strengths are compassion, intuition, and healing. You have deep empathy and compassion for others, strong intuitive abilities and connection to the spiritual realm. You have natural talent for healing and helping others. And your weaknesses are isolation, escapism, and emotional confusion. You have tendency to withdraw and isolate emotionally, risk of escaping realities through dreams, fantasies, or substances. You have difficulty understanding and expressing emotions clearly. The moon's placement in your birth chart reveals how you experience and express your emotions, instincts, and subconscious mind. Each house offers unique strengths and challenges, helping you understanding the nuance of your emotional world and how you relate to others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more astrological content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay updated on all my latest videos so you never miss an astrological update. See you in the next one.